Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Let us introduce ourselves first. My name is Andi, Hijrah, Hialfani, Alfi, and my partner,
Meisya, Putri, Fiat.
Today, Meisya and I would like to talk about a common local issue in many neighborhoods, especially ours, which is noise from motorcycles. This problem usually happens when motorcycles use very loud exhaust when they pass through residential areas. The noise can be very disturbing for people who live nearby.
For example, the sound can interrupt people who are resting, studying, or sleeping. This problem becomes even worse at night when people expect a quiet, peaceful environment.
This issue is important because noise pollution can affect people's comfort and well-being. When people cannot sleep properly because of loud noises, they may feel tired, stressed, and unable to focus the next day.
In our area, we sometimes experience this problem, especially at night. Motorcycles with loud exhaust often pass by the street and suddenly break the quiet atmosphere.
So, in our opinion, people should be more responsible and considerate when using motorcycles. They should avoid using extremely loud exhaust, especially in residential areas.
In addition, the police could also enforce stricter regulation on motorcycle noise to reduce this problem.
And if everyone becomes more aware and respectful of others, we can create a quieter and more comfortable environment for our community.
In conclusion, noise from motorcycles may seem like a small problem,
but it can actually disturb many people around us.
Thank you for attention.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.